Hello and welcome to a stormy day here at Epcot. We're gonna go on Guardians of the Galaxy because we have a time for it. Gary's with me today. We're gonna have so much fun. Try to get some stuff in the queue for you. Let's go.
Tomorrow, and she's like,
spectacular vistas of our aquatic world. Sandar is also home to the Nova Corps, whose goal is to maintain universal peace and security while developing friendly relations with civilizations across. Each zone.
Again, with Denarians, a cross for millennium, a half star for centurions like myself, and a full.
Well, okay, you can believe that. It was 12% of a plan. Amazing. Really. Well, go on, introduce yourself. Have you forgotten who I am? His brain is so red.
This is none other than Drax the Destroyer.
See? And she knows who I am.
Anyways, I dance circles around the tree dude. Totally safe today.
Doing weird and embarrassing dances, but it was a means of distraction. So that Rocket could destroy the Breeze One.
Thank you, Drax, for setting the record straight for our viewers.
You are welcome.
Courage, Peter. To flail around like a total fool to help save the day.
Well, Casey, you're not really making it sound as intense and dangerous as it actually was.
I'm sure it was very intense. We'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was in just a moment.
Commander of the Nova Corps, on behalf of all Zandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Zandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Zandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Zandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Zandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Alright, so I recorded for as long as I could inside until they literally told me, put your phone away. But, what'd you think?
best ride across all the parks, by far.
So this is my second time riding it. I rode it for cast previews a few weeks ago. So they didn't have like the pre-show ready, nothing like that. But pre-show, very cool. Ride, immaculate, amazing. They took all their best rides and smushed them together.
And this is my first time riding it. I'm very prone to motion sickness. Ride in the middle that was recommended to me by the cast member. I am not motion sick at all after that ride. Absolutely amazing.
So we were in row 6, so like 5 and 6 is like where she said to like try and be. But it was very good, very fun. Don't know what else we're gonna do here on our rainy day at Epcot.
We're gonna get soaked.
Well, I mean, it's just sprinkling right now, so it won't be too bad. I think we're gonna go try and get some food at some point. We might try and get into the Wonders of Zandar store because the line has gotten a little bit shorter. But stay tuned. So in Traders of Zandar, you can get the Red Infinity Gauntlet without the stones for $100. Here's what it looks like with all of the stones. You can also get the Eye of Agamotto, the Tesseract, Power Stone, the Ether, and then Loki's Scepter as well. I believe each of these are each $100. You can get Loki's helmet for $50. These Loki chalices are $30. These Loki shirts are $40. This Novacore data file shirt is $40, and it has all the different threat levels of all the different villains in ascending order. They have Novacore data file pins. So there's 6 pins to collect, 2 in each box. See all the different villains on there. Each box is $18. You can also get villain bounty cards. So like here's the Red Skull, Taskmaster, Hela, and then down here they have a Novacore notebook that is $17. And then the Infinity Stones for $40. It's like a little display stand for them. Cute little Groot mug and stir for $23. Groot desk plant for $25. Groot and Rocket stress toys for $10. Dancing Groot for $30. As well as a plushie Groot. He's falling over. He is $23. The Evolutions of Groot for $30. This Groot patch is $10. Rocket and Groot shirt for $30. Groot magnet set for $20. This I Am Groot pin for yellow, which the color prices are right here. Children's Guardians hoodie for $47. Spaceships, which are $13. These keychains are also $13. A Novacore backpack for $40. A Guardians of the Galaxy pin with another yellow marking. Ride vehicle with Rocket and Groot for $13. Guardians hat for $30. Guardians magnet for $10. Youth shirt for $37. Another pin marked as yellow. Another magnet for $10. Guardians water bottle for $15. Another Guardian shirt for $50. A Guardians Epcot mug that is $20. There's a coaster set for $30. This spaceship shirt is $37. Yet another mug that is $20. And it has a heat reveal picture on the back. Looks like it's supposed to be from here back in '87. Blanket for $50. Guardians fanny pack for $30. Both of these patches are $10. Both of these pins are silver, which I believe is $10. And then this keychain is also $10. Reversible Guardians lanyards for $10. And then down here we have a old ball game for $15. And then Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind sticky notes for $8. They also have a phone case for $35. This shirt is $30. Another magnet set for $20. Peter Quill's jacket for $80. This shirt is $30. The Star-Lord masks are $50. Gamora's swords are $30. And this other pin is silver. And then right over here they have a booster set of pins. And that is $35. And right above these pins, they have a Guardians of the Galaxy hat, which is right here, $30. Another shirt for $37. And then they have this cool water bottle, which is $28. This shirt is $37. Mini Loungefly backpack for $50. $35 for this hat. This Novacore shirt is $40. We have a Novapur hat for $28. Novapur mug for $23. Down here we have another Novapur shirt for $45. Over here we have a magnet, which is $10. Here's a patch, which is also $10.
Novapur currency, $3 each when you buy 4.
Very nice. We have another pin, which is silver, which is 10. And then another keychain, which is 10. This Novapur crossbody bag is $40. These keychains are $15, and they open up so you can see Groot and Rocket in the ride vehicle. And then they have Yondu's, I guess, horn with his arrow. There is no price on here, so I do not know how much this one is. They had a lot more stuff in that Traders of Zandar, or whatever the heck that store was called. They had a lot more stuff in there than I thought they would. Lots of really cool stuff. But we're now on our way into the further part of Epcot. Don't know where exactly we're gonna end up, but I know we're both a little hungry. We haven't really eaten anything yet today, so I think first things first, we're gonna try and get food, and then maybe try and get on Frozen in a little bit. But we don't really know what we're in for right now. The rain has let up for a little bit,
Don't jinx us now.
but hopefully it holds off for a little bit longer. I have to go to work later on tonight, so hopefully we can get as much done as we can before I have to leave. We had a quick snack of pretzels and blue raspberry slushy, and now we're on our way to Nemo because we're not going to go on Frozen for a little bit, so we're going to fill up our time with some other rides. Have you been on Nemo before?
I have, and it has a 10-minute wait. I've never seen it above 5.
I feel like it says 10 minutes because it's going to take 10 minutes to walk through the queue. Could be wrong, but you never know.
I don't know.
Let's go explore, explore, explore.
Where?
That's why.
Nemo was cute. I don't know. I feel like
Very
every
nice.
time I'm here, I like have to go on Nemo. It's never like a super long wait. But now we're gonna go on Journey into Your Imagination with Figment. So, yeah. We just got off Figment. It was Gary's first time. What'd you think of it?
It was pretty awesome. I liked seeing Weibo right when you walked in from Clover.
Yeah. It's a cute ride. I've heard the original is a lot better, but it's cute. Definitely check it out. It doesn't usually have too long of a wait. So if the Seas with Nemo and Friends and Figment are both over 15 minutes, you know Epcot is busy. But at the exit of Figment, they have a whole little like play area for kids, and then they also have a meet and greet in there with Joy from Inside Out and then Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. And then they also have like a little like Figment store to get all of your Figment merchandise you could ever want. But we're going to Frozen now because it's time for that. So we got off Frozen, got a little damp. But now we're in Mexico to hopefully go on 3 Caballeros, and then we'll go on Test Track, and I think stop at Creations on our way out. How about a regular car?
Yep, let's think about GTA and going down the sidewalk.
Oh no. Super sleek. Oh. All right. Not bad. It's like a little sports car.
Yeah.
Scoped. I feel like that doesn't really like affect much. What about this? I don't think the sculpt affects anything. We'll just be like,
Well, it's changing that. Oh, that up there?
yeah.
Yeah, it does. Not much though. What about length?
Oh, there, it's a little more responsive now. Oh. Alright.
What's going on there?
I don't know. I want it to be a skinny legend or a thick queen.
Hold on. The numbers up top. Responsiveness, high. Thick queen.
Thick queen? Alright, we'll do a thick queen. Engine. Come on, plasma.
You went right for it.
Look at that, 82.
Boom.
Alright.
What is going on right there? Ooh.
Alright. I think that's our plasma engine. Face of the car. Oh, we can change how it looks.
Smaller. Yeah, there you go. That's good.
Paint.
I think I like red.
Alright, we can keep it red. Do we want to put any graphics on it?
Graphics?
Yeah, we can do like fire or glitter.
Not glitter.
There's fire somewhere, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, missed it. There we go. Fire. Whoa. Or do we want tiny wheels?
I think we should go for big wheels.
Alright. The biggest ones we can?
Yep.
Alright. Style. Alright, so right now we're here.
Oh, you up the power.
Ooh. We
50
can.
seconds.
Alright, you good with that?
Yep.
Alright. Accessories. Plasma on the front.
No, let's do this on the front. Oh, nope, plasma. You're right. Oh.
More plasma.
Sure.
Oh, there we go.
25 seconds.
More plasma.
Yep.
Alright. More plasma.
Yep.
Alright.
Rear.
More plasma.
Oh, 3.
We'll do turbo engines.
Efficiency, not that bad.
Power, 93. Look at that. Wow. That's a beautiful car right there.
Should we turn it? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh well. It's like bright but not. Test track was great. They shut it down for a couple minutes because there was inclement weather, but then it was back up and running a lot sooner than we thought.
It was great. We got right on because everybody in front of us left. So
Yeah, everyone's like, oh, we have to wait. We're leaving now. And then I went to Pin Trade, and they had a Mike Wazowski pin and a Turning Red pin. I was like, oh, those are some cool pins. The cast member was so funny. He's like,
shout
wow.
out to Ed from the merchandise at Test Track.
He's
Absolutely
like,
amazing.
wow, you take my 2 best pins and you give me a chicken and a puffle. And he was just,
He's
giving
like,
me...
take these pom-poms for free.
And I'm like, no.
He's like, now you know how I feel.
Well, we're gonna go into creations. See ya on the outside. I guess I just do outros in my car now.
It's a trend.
Honestly, every single time I go to the park now, like, the outro has been in my car.
And we've only been together at Epcot.
You and I have. This is your second vlog. But, like, I don't know. I've done a lot of vlogs where we've ended in the car. Anywho. Got to ride on Guardians today. Gave you a little tour of the shop and all the things in there. Our song, I didn't mention it earlier, it was Conga, which, like, it was a really fun time.
Not the song I was wanting, but out of, what, 92 songs they said or something like that?
I don't know. I haven't looked into it. But, like, I was dancing,
Yeah.
like, the entire time. Like, it was a fun time. Like, I've never danced on a roller coaster before, and now I can say that I have. But, yeah. Then we did a few other rides today. Did a little bit of shopping. I got a weighted Pua plushie because I have been wanting one for the past, like, month and a half. And I finally was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. So we have that.
I got a Star Wars shirt, and then, well, we changed our mind on that one. So I got a Coke and a cotton candy.
Oh, I did get one of the Cokes as well. I got the Epcot one. So I think the next, like, couple times I go to the parks, I'll just try and get the rest of the 3 parks, I think it is. Because they might have, like, a just overall 50th one. Anywho. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought. I did try and record, like, as much as I could today without getting copyright music in there and everything. But if you want more, like, store tours or just seeing other stuff in general, feel free to let me know. Because right now I'm just kind of, this is what we're doing. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!